So yesterday was definitely a wild ride. We saw prices moving very quickly, pretty much to the downside. And unfortunately, ADA got kind of caught in the middle of this. Now, what I will say is this is I actually think that this was a good thing. And that might sound strange to say, but I want to tell you guys why and kind of explain what happened yesterday. So we actually saw ADA run all the way from the 37-cent range down into the 34-cent range. Some people I'm sure will complain, say, oh yeah, it's ADA just showing weakness, blah, 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 right? And really what it had to do with was BTC printing this massive 5.5% negative candle for the day. When BTC does this, it's hard to escape these movements. Now, I will say this, while BTC was dropping, it got down to about 60K. ADA was actually showing strength. We were sitting in the higher 36s. We were looking fine. But then when BTC really kind of flashed, dropped down to 57K, it drug ADA with it. It is what it is. It happened. It's unfortunate. And the reason why I think this is probably a good thing is we bled out some of the speculators. Some of the people that were frankly pushing the price of ADA up here in anticipation of the Chang hard fork, they did some selling. They did some capitulating. What that means is that the Chang hard fork is turning into a little bit less of a sell the news event. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that, but look at where ADA price is at now. We're barely above this range that we were sitting in back here. That means a lot of the speculation has kind of left. That's okay, right? Because right now, guys, we're in the final countdown. All right, 100%. When we look at the Chang hard fork readiness, guys, you guys can see that we are at 70% of the exchange liquidity is now approved and ready to go. Big one that came through yesterday, Binance, 15.72% of liquidity on their side has been approved. And this can flip really at any moment, guys, right? The target date is September 1st, but understand it could happen before that too. So what we're waiting on now is a couple exchanges with some more sizable liquidity. You have BitGert at 4.2%. You have Coinstar wasn't that much. There was another couple big ones right here. HTX at 6.83%, PTB at 2.9%. So yeah, there's some entities that, oh, and here you go, Poloniex, that's the other one, 8.1%. So these could flip at any moment and have us breach that 80% threshold. That's a very big deal. So we're now basically in this final countdown, the last few days before we get to the Chang hard fork. And frankly, we're kind of sitting at this point where we have some room to grow now. All right. This isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice. And I love the fact that ADA, despite getting down to about 34 cents, we rebounded very quickly. We're back up to almost 36 cents at the time of filming this video. You guys can see 35.77. We're approaching back to this 20-day moving average. I do want to see a breach here. This is still good because if we do confirm this, this is confirming a higher low for us. And then again, we do need to get to a higher high from here. So like I said yesterday, it sucks. I never like seeing prices drop. I did actually have my long position did get liquidated. I actually opened up some more long positions down below here. I love dips, guys. I love opportunity in this space. If people are gonna act sporadic and invest on emotion, I'm gonna take advantage of that every single time, as people should. Again, people can do what they want. This is never financial advice, but when the market keeps giving you gifts, you need to take advantage of the gifts. Don't let them idly pass you by, because there will be a moment where these prices are frankly distant memories. Nothing has changed from a couple days ago to today. The path is being set for Cardano, and we are one step closer to this next booming era. So I appreciate you guys as always. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Leave some comments in the description, and leave some comments in the section down below. But have a great day. Show your love. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.